how to add items to cart on Vinted. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add items to cart on Vinted. So kindly follow through. The first step is to log in into your Vinted account, just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and explore the item that you would like to add to cart. So by selecting the item, you brought to the product details page where you would see different options. You see the option for you to create a bundle and all of that. Then the next step would be for you to move to the right side of the item where you can see further options. Okay, you can see details about the product. Then you see three options, which includes buy now, make an offer, ask seller. Now you would see that you cannot see the option add to cart. Also, by moving to the top right corner of the screen where icons are, such as your inbox, notifications, your favorite icon, and your profile icon, you would see that you cannot see any cart icon there. That is because you cannot add items to cart on Vinted. Okay, the only thing you can do in order to save an item is for you to add it to your favorite by clicking on the art icon on the item. So by clicking on the art icon, the icon will be added automatically to your favorite items, and then whenever you're ready to purchase it, just go to the top right corner, click on the art icon, and then you see the product there, and if it's still available, you can go ahead and purchase it. So that is the only way. You cannot add your items to cart on Vinted because there is no option for that yet on the Vinted site. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.